something written there. Hands will work, and the mouth tells.
It's a riddle. Hands will work and the mouth tells. What does it mean, Minnie?
Let's ask Umak. He'll find it sniffing.
No chance, Minnie. I'm the referee in this game. You need to follow the clues and that's it.
Hands will work and the mouth tells. What could that be?
Typewriter.
Typewriter, of course.
Oh, I accidentally helped you. I wasn't supposed to.
Hands will work and the mouth tells. Typewriter, of course. I would have thought that anyway.
Then you should help Neşe and Manny for one time, Zuzu. Then we can be even Steven.
You're totally right, Minnie.
Where is the typewriter? Ah, my father used to have a typewriter, but he put it away in the garage.
Then we need to go to the garage.
Absolutely. I was just about to say that too.
It opens the door and bam! Runs away before it closes. What could that be?
Umak!
No, I think it's something else. It opens and bam! It runs away.
The wind. Wind blows, the door opens.
But you are the referee, Zuzu.
I accidentally helped Mutlu with the clue that he had. That's why I needed to help you as well. So it's even Steven again.
Okay, but how can wind be a hint, though?
If we look at a compass?
This is the land breeze. Its direction can change all the time.
Then it's the weather vane, you two. Oh, I helped again, didn't I? So let me go see Mutlu to help him again.
I wonder what sort of treasure it is. Maybe it's a plane or a pirate ship. Maybe it's an aircraft carrier. Hey, you can't fly.
Yeah, but Minnie is with you. You can fly as well.
Say something, Sister Referee. Look, they're flying.
I'm not the referee now. I helped Neşe twice by mistake, and so I'll help you guys now.
Did you hear that? That will make 3 of us. Minnie cannot carry us all.
Okay. Come on, Manny. Let's run and find a clue.
Here, I found it.
Perfect! We should look at the way the weather vane is pointing to right now.
Wow, they wrote something here.
I think this is a shape.
This is a water drop, and drops come out of the water tap.
Then it's the water tap in the garden. Hooray!
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,